So here is how to scan with QR code on iPhone. There are multiple ways you can scan a QR code with your iPhone. You can use third-party applications or just the camera app on your phone. So let's open up the camera application. Then aim it at the QR code you want to scan, and you will get to see this yellow button right here on the screen. If you tap on it, it will redirect you to whatever content that is in the QR code. In this case, it is a website. And if you have the QR code on your phone, for example, a screenshot, you can go ahead and open it in your gallery. Then you will get to see the scan icon on the bottom right of the image. Tap on it and then tap on the QR code. You will then get to see options just like this. From here, I will select Open in Safari. And as you can see, the link in the QR code has opened in my browser. And that's it. That is exactly how to scan with QR code on iPhone.